morning one and all. Today is 12th June 2021 and we'll be taking last session of cloud computing, conceptual view to reality. There are several things that need to come together for conceptual software application services framework to become a reality. Means that conceptual view जो है वो कैसे reality में convert होता है, that is the main concept of today's topic. So present and future SaaS providers need to know that companies like IBM, Jam Crackers, Grand Central Communications, US Internetworking, open source offers SaaS enablement services and are from SaaS ecosystems that bring together providers in one environment where organizations can buy application software services for Salesforce automation. ये हमारे यहाँ पर Salesforce कराया था, HRM, customer relationship. सो बेसिकली कंसेप्चुअल जो व्यू है उसको रियलिटी में किस तरह से कन्वर्ट किया, जो ये डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंपनीज थी उन लोगों ने इनको मार्केट पे लॉन्च किया. A framework such as SASF, software as a service framework, needs to be created. ये services create करना जरूरी है. That established set of standard interfaces so that SaaS applications will be able to use the services offered within the framework with ease. So that framework is one software as a service का framework जो है, that is must to design the applications. Then we have enterprise application programmers, developers, architects, and development managers that need to have buy-in use of the framework. Okay. Then finally, providing the framework for the SaaS application will need to be offered as a type of service itself. ये देखो ये block diagram दिया हुआ है. A conceptual software utility application framework used by the software utility application services from different domains, अलग-अलग domain से. तो ये common enablers है. Common enablers हमने देखा था कि metering, billing, then service level agreement services, mail, directory services, then application provisioning services, then single sign-on, identity management, मतलब user का management. These are common enablers. Okay. Software utility applications में क्या क्या आएगा? जैसे कोई एक डोमेन है enterpriseabc.com, engineering abc, accounting abc, इनमें IT, HR सपोर्ट रहता है, sales, R&D development. Then we have lender, like in accounting to accounting packages, AP accounting packages to maintain. And then the users who are web service applications, corporate users, company XYZ administrators, framework administrators. So it's a conceptual software utility application framework which is used by the software utility application services. So software utility application services जो है वो ये use करते हैं. Now how does this fit into this framework fit into the utility infrastructure? ये framework किस तरह से fit होता है utility infrastructure, that we will see using this block diagram. So how that software as a service framework fits into the utility environment. Okay, now we begin with the infrastructure services. Under infrastructure services में क्या आएगा? Server, storage, network, some other services. Then resource virtualization services, other infrastructure services, web services. This is a bus. Okay, so here it provides a metering and billing system, web service gateways, identity management, single sign-on, and this is the framework. And this is business services, which is being provided to external application web services interface, user browser interfaces, and enterprise. So this is how it provides the utility environment. Utility environment किस तरह से users को provide करता है, वो जो conceptual view था उसी के ऊपर से ये base utility environment है framework का, कि किस तरह से ये provide करता है framework. Some business profits. This is basically for the business profits. Say here, let's talk about the business profit. The use of SAF increases the ability to add additional features to the SAF without increasing development cost. Means that without increasing the cost, how it can provide the increase the framework. This is old maximum features and this is new features. So see, new features are being added and provided to the customer. So customer values. So new development cost and old development cost in terms of the dollar. See the difference. New development cost. ये देखो न्यू डेवलपमेंट कॉस्ट में यहाँ जब कॉस्ट बढ़ी है तो भी ये ओल्ड मैक्सिमम फीचर लेवल तक पहुंचा है. दिस ओल्ड डेवलपमेंट कॉस्ट and this is old maximum features, whereas in case of the new development cost, see the new maximum features are increased but the cost is decreased. See this line shows the features are being increased and the cost is decreased, whereas this you see that the in case of the old system where the cost is high as well as the features are minimum. So old cost to develop SaaS application, customer value and usability and technical features are being included. So this way the things are been beneficial for them from the customers point of view कि cost decrease हो गई है, features ज़्यादा provide हो गए, जबकि पहले cost भी ज़्यादा थी और जो features थे वो मैक्सिमम फीचर्स सिर्फ देखो इतने ही थे, जबकि मैक्सिमम फीचर्स यहाँ पर कितने ज्यादा फीचर्स इंक्लूड किए हुए हैं इसमें. The application management case study, these are some of the case studies which are there. कि you have management system. Okay, this is email managers, new users, administrators. So administrators are the one which provides the administrative privileges to the normal user. So administrator के क्या क्या करता है, management system, control system, directory access, email system. So these are being done by the different administrators, and the administrator then provides the services like the email services to the managers and then this to the new users. Okay, here let's see the automated application provisioning and single sign-on replaces administrator for different systems. So here let's say the different system asset management same hai, but these are being provided by different way. Single sign-on. So single sign-on administrator user अलग अलग नहीं कर रखे हैं यहाँ पे. Single sign-on. New users can access internet or intranet access. Employee request में manager can direct access the self services, application provisioning and sign on, and these are the services. जबकि पिछले वाले में क्या था, वो administrator के through जा रहा था, तो administrative privileges बीच में आती है. Once it is being implemented, the user can directly interact with the management services, asset management, source code, control systems, distributed directory access, corporate email systems. So these are being provided. So this is how we end with the session. This is the last diagram for the configuration management. This is configuration of one instance, one database for multiple customers. So one database is being maintained and it is being used by the multiple customers. One database, centralized database, and there are many customers in the this. You see that there are different table space available for different customers, and this type of configuration is available in the cloud. Okay, so today we end up with the concepts like this: configuration of one instance, one database for multiple customers using several databases. So वो centralized था या distributed database, several databases के साथ में भी इस टाइप से ये एप्लीकेशन मेंटेन की हुई है. देखो एक डेटाबेस उसके साथ में अलग अलग कस्टमर्स, दूसरा डेटाबेस उसके साथ में अलग अलग कस्टमर्स. So let's end up with the cloud computing environment. Here the configuration of one instance, multiple databases using one database per customer. हर customer का अपना खुद का database है. Database speed for individual customers. So individual customers is having its own database. This scenario is also being depicted here. Okay. Then we have one instance, multiple database using one database per customers, needing to have more instances to support more than 256 customers. See here, कितने सारे डेटाबेसेस हैं, उतने सारे उसके टेबल स्पेसेस क्रिएटेड है, उतने सारे उसके इंस्टेंसेस क्रिएटेड है. सो इट इज many to many configuration for database to customers. Okay, so we end up with this session, and here